Today's math lesson, which is lesson 7 in our module 1, was the objective was to demonstrate the commutative property of multiplication and practice with related multiplication facts using skip counting and arrays. So I'm going to do number 6, which is a homework problem for the students. It says that Angel in her notebook writes 2 times 8 equals 8 times 2. Do you agree or you disagree? Draw arrays to help explain your thinking. Well, the kids should definitely agree with this statement. Yes, I agree. And we talked about this in class at length. And the reason why we agree is if you draw an array for 2 times 8, or 2 rows of 8, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This is an array for 2 times 8. That equals 16. If you then draw an array for 8 times 2, that is 8 rows of 2. That's the array for that one. And that is 8 times 2, which also equals 16. So to show the commutative property, both of these equal 16, so the order of the numbers does not matter. You can flip the factors to an 8, and the answer will stay the same. We also talked in class today about if you look at the array, if you just look at this array, and then you look at this array, it's rotated. It's the same array, but it's just rotated. Or turned, as the kids were saying today in class. So that's how I would do and show Angel is correct, and that's the commutative property which we studied today in class.